Hello, what's going on everybody? Today I'm going to show you a tutorial of teaching you how to butterfly click and also drag click. First, just take your mouse. Okay. You can see my basically it's turned off right now, but you can still play with it. So now make a video, okay. So like if you wanna butterfly click, first you must put your hands like this, and then just slowly first. I normally like to do like this, and your CPS can go over 50. Mine. If you wanna try this method, this is how it sounds. First, you just put your finger like this, put this here, and then just keep smashing it. Now we're gonna learn drag click. First, you just take a tape and put it about this much. To place it here, mine is a bit. I use the old one, so it'll come off. Then you gotta take it off. Later, if I'm not mistaken, you must just keep dabbing on it. After you're done, you can hear a lot of clicks. So that is it for my tutorial. So just like and watch my video. That's all I need. And see you on the next video, I guess.